What's up, YouTubers? Got a pair of my broken reading glasses here. Gonna see if we can make something work. The nature of the break took one end right off, so the screw goes through. It went through the screw, went through this side, down through the bow or the glasses, and then tightened. For that reason, I'm not going to be able to use the screw. So what we're going to do is take the screw out. Can't use that. Now we're going to see how we can make this work. I think it's going to be just all super glue trial and error. So I'm going to try to clean up some of the surface to give it something to adhere to, as usual. That's what's going to give it its strength. The more you clean it up, rough it up, sand it, the better it'll stick. This is my favorite pair of reading glasses too, damn it. That's why I'm fixing them. Yeah, I think I'm just going to have to put some super glue, put them together kind of where I want them, put a little super glue on it, and then try to drop baking soda on it. Might have to do it a couple times, try to bulk it up there. Obviously this bow is not going to bend anymore. It's not going to bend anymore either way, so it's you can still see what's going on there. Let's have some baking soda ready here. Yeah, I'm just going to kind of put a little bit on here and see if I can get it to take, you know, enough to hold it still, and then I will re-glue again. But let's just just to get it to structurally hold so I can actually work on it. It's kind of a unusual configuration there to try to work on it, you know, and hold it and all that, so. Okay. Looks like we got some in there. So what I think I'm going to keep doing is just re-gluing and putting baking soda on top of it, because I can get the glue everywhere here. You know, just kind of rebuild and rebuild. You're not going to be able to bend this bow in and out in this particular, for instance. The reason I'm trying this is 2 people have got a hold of me that had a broken bow and did this, cleaned it up, insides, outsides, everything, cleaned it up and redid it with super glue baking soda, and then sanded it and put a little bit of paint on whatever color it was. I can't remember one, but it turned out really nice, and they said it was really strong. This particular application, I don't care about the looks. As like I said, these were a pair of my old reading glasses. Now they've retired to the garage for welding, so Okay. Well, that inside looked like it took good. Let's try to do the same thing out here. So you can see the super glue, can't you? I'm making sure I go back as far as I sanded. Yeah, so I did the back side. I'm going to do the top side. And like I said before too, it's how far you go back, how far you sand, and how far you glue. That makes a huge difference on the strength. This one obviously still moves in and out, but I'm going to do just a little bit on top, and then a little bit on top of the bow, and maybe the bottom too, just for a little added strength. Kind of a sloppy job, but it's not gonna, nobody's gonna care in my shop where I weld. But, like I said, if this was a pair of your glasses you were gonna wear, when you're done, you can sand on this and get it nice and, you know, shiny and not sticky and all that. And you could even put a little paint on it. Some of the super glue ran, I guess. You could put a little paint on them. You're done, a little brown, a little black, you know, to match your frames, whatever. You could do this repair yourself very easily. Save yourself a ton of money. One guy told me he was sick and tired of having to bring his glasses into the, you know, the eye doctor to get fixed. And he goes, dude, this freaking works so cool. I'm like, I'm so glad. Sometimes the glue will run, you know, to another spot. So you got, especially in this kind of application. Now that looks pretty darn good to me. Definitely adhered good. Part of the metal hinge was still on the inside, otherwise it was all plastic. And we know from the other videos that it bonds to this plastic thick and thin really, really well. So there you go. She took pretty good. She's pretty strong. So my favorite glasses are fixed with super glue and baking soda. Bob's Lawn Service and Plowing. I'm out.